Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use advanced search on FlexJobs. If you're searching for a remote or flexible job can be overwhelming, but FlexJob makes it much easier when its advanced search feature. FlexJob is a trusted job platform focused on remote work from home, part-time, freelance and flexible jobs, and every listing is hand-screened to ensure quality and safety. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use advanced search on FlexJob using laptop step by step. So first you need to open your browser. At the top there's a search bar, type down flexjob.com and enter it. And make sure to log in with your email or password and access all search or filtering features. From the top navigation menu, you can select this advanced. This opens more detailed filters that help you narrow down jobs precisely. And here you can customize a search using multiple options as keywords, job categories, your job types, your location, your international location, your remote work level, work schedule, and remote 100% remote or hybrid, and select the option that best matches your goal and apply and review result. After that, after you're done with all of these options here, you can select search for jobs. And once your filters are set, FlexJob automatically updates the job listing. You'll now see the jobs that closely matches to your preference, saving time and effort. And combine advanced search with saved search and job alerts to get notified when new matching jobs are posted. And that's how you use advanced search on FlexJob. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below. We will reach out to you very soon.